The secret behind every sip, the journey of Coca-Cola. Have you ever stopped to wonder what goes into crafting the world's most iconic fizzy drink? Today, we're diving deep into the incredible journey of Coca-Cola, a global phenomenon that quenches the thirst of over 1.9 billion people every day. Let's crack open the story. The origins of a legend. The journey begins in 1886 with an Atlanta pharmacist named John Pemberton. What started as a headache remedy quickly transformed into a sensation. Fast forward 2 years, an entrepreneur Asa Candler purchased the recipe for just $2.30, a small price for what would become a global empire. But here's the catch. Coca-Cola's formula isn't just a recipe, it's a mystery. Known by only 2 people at a time, the secret is locked away in a high-security vault at the World of Coca-Cola in Atlanta. Want to see it? Visitors can only view the vault's exterior, complete with palm scanners, numerical code pads, and a massive steel door. It's like a scene straight out of a spy movie. The recipe nobody knows. So, what's in Coca-Cola? The ingredients listed on the can might seem straightforward, but the magic lies in the mysterious natural flavors. This secret blend of botanicals and spices is what gives Coke its signature taste. It's not just a drink, it's an enigma. Pure perfection. The role of water. Let's talk about the real star of the show, water. Making up 90% of the drink, the water undergoes nanofiltration to ensure it's absolutely pure. It's like giving every drop a VIP treatment because nothing less will do for Coca-Cola. Inside the factory, turning syrup into magic. The heart of Coca-Cola production lies in its secret syrup. Surprisingly, it's not delivered under heavy security, just plastic jugs on a forklift. This syrup is mixed with pure water, sweeteners, and carbon dioxide to create that signature fizz we all know and love. The sound of a can popping open? That's the Coke working its magic. Perfection in every detail. Before the bottles are filled, they're treated like royalty. They're flipped, rinsed, and inspected to ensure every bottle is spotless. Even the labels are applied with laser precision before the filling begins. Quality control is everything. The final steps, from factory to your fridge. Once filled and capped, the bottles are warmed to room temperature to prevent condensation. Then they're shrink-wrapped and stacked by robotic arms that work with mind-blowing accuracy. It's like watching a futuristic ballet. And off they go. Finally, the pallets are loaded onto trucks, and Coca-Cola begins its journey to stores, picnics, parties, and your fridge. Every sip you take is the result of a global production system working in perfect harmony. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, smash that like button and subscribe to MVision TV for more fascinating stories about the things you love. And don't forget to explore our other videos. You'll never look at your favorite products the same way again.